Welcome back to the Natural Health and Life channel. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to be notified of the latest videos. A weekend detoxifying meal plan. If you feel tired all the time, have dry skin and dark circles under the eyes, then you need to detoxify your body. If you have a toxic body, you are more prone to viruses, flu and infections. When you detox, the body gets the health and energy back and you feel vitality. Here is the best weekend detox plan that will cleanse organs like the liver, kidneys, lungs, lymph and intestines. Always take 1 glass of warm water upon waking up in the morning. Here's your Saturday meal plan. For breakfast, have a cup of oatmeal and a spoonful of linseed, half a cup of fresh blueberries, Greek yogurt or green tea, diet yogurt or almond milk. For lunch, have some grilled hake, Swiss chard and olive oil with potatoes, 2 cups of green salad, a small banana, and a slice of melon. For your snack, have some apple, pumpkin seeds and yogurt. For dinner, eat 2 cups of salad with lemon juice and olive oil, half cup of steamed veggies like spinach and broccoli, green smoothie made of spinach, celery, banana and apple, and a cup anise tea. And now for your Sunday meal plan. For breakfast, have a cup oatmeal, some almond milk or diet yogurt, a spoonful of linseed, a pear and green tea. For your snack, grab a grapefruit. For lunch, eat grilled chicken, some pickles, and veggie soup with pepper, beans, potato, carrot, onion, or celery. And for dinner, make a green smoothie made of almonds, banana, berries, spinach, kale, and cucumber, beets, and carrots with lemon juice, and nettle tea. For the best results, do this twice a year for 10 days or at least just the weekends. Also, make sure you exercise regularly. Thanks for watching. Do you want to suggest a topic? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Leave a comment below. Check our food and nutrition playlist for more. Don't forget to hit the like button and share it with your friends and family. For more healthy recipes, subscribe to our channel.